How to sign out from Gmail and Android account logout guide. So hello everyone, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we'll simply go to settings on our phone. So I'll simply click on settings. Here you guys will simply scroll till end. You guys can see on downside about device, user account, Google help feedback. So simply click on user accounts. Once we click on user accounts, here you guys can see multiple users, your phone name. Also you guys can see on downside Facebook, Google and other things. So simply click on Google. Once we click on Google, here you guys can see all your Gmail accounts. So for example, I want to remove the second one, so I'll simply click on second one. Now here you guys can see account and sign in. So I'll simply click on top right corner three dots with the account and sign in. So I'll simply click on these three dots. Once we click here you guys can see remove account. So I will simply click on remove account. Once we click here you guys can see remove account. So simply click on remove account, and once you click on remove account, your Gmail account will be logged out from your that device. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.